What's cooking good looking?
Today I'm cooking something I've never cooked before, a southern favorite from the USA, and also quite popular in Africa from my understanding, okra. If you checked out the Agadir Souk video, we were getting some okra. Now I'm chopping onions, so that explains the eyes there. My eyes, they burn.
What else burns?
Else burns my feet from, I went to the beach yesterday, middle of the day, and I ran there without shoes on. Now I got blisters on my feet from the heat and the pavement. It was silly. Onions in the pan. Now we're gonna get some tomatoes. Where are those at? We bring the tomatoes. Where's our tomatoes? Here's our okra. Plenty of okra. What's in here? Tomatoes? Where's the tomatoes? Asia. So I know a tagine is a good way to cook okra and set chickpeas as well, but today we're just doing it in a pan, getting the tomatoes ready, and I think this is going to be good today. We'll see. Andrea, have you ever eaten okra?
No.
First time?
You just read my mind. I was just thinking, oh, I have never eaten okra. Maybe in India, but I don't remember.
The okra, when it cooks, it gets slimy and gooey, so it's kind of fun to eat.
I think we had something similar in India, but they call it lady fingers.
Lady fingers.
Maybe I'm mistaken.
Sounds like it could be. Because the okra, it says it thrives in high heat and sun. A lot of summer veggies won't handle that, but the okra is a survivor. Cook them till they're translucent. It's about time to add some garlic in there. Let that cook a little bit. Tomatoes in with all their juice. Wow. Salt to get the juice out of the tomatoes.
Looks really funky.
Getting fancy today with some lime zest in the mix. Get that from the inside. Adding the okra. It's already sticking to my hand, so it's cooked yet.
Some advanced technique
I
developed by Morocco.
I like to juice the lime in here so the seeds don't get into the dish. As you can see, a lot of seeds on that lime. Another one here. Hands are slippery now.
What do we have here?
Harissa, star brand. This is gonna get the job done, get some good flavor in there. A little cumin. And we're gonna cover it and let it cook for a little bit. Okay. So it's beginning to cook down. We're losing a little bit of moisture in there. I might have kept the okra a little bit too big or not used enough tomatoes. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna add some fresh parsley into there, chopped up. Add a little bit of moisture. And then, right now, I don't think the okra needs too much more time. You can see it's cutting a little bit easier. We want it to get gooey. And add the chickpeas in there. And a little bit of aquafaba, the chickpea water in there, just to give it a little more moisture. I don't want it to be too dry. Give us that beany flavor. I'll stir this in. So what I really like about this dish is it all comes from the soup. Just the harissa paste comes from a local shop here.
But we could buy harissa paste on the soup.
They do have harissa at the soup, this is true, but I like that Star brand. It's easy in a little jar. They kind of just sell it to you in a baggie or a really big bottle at the soup. But this is a soup meal, you know. We have the okra from Agadir, chickpeas from, I guess there's Orir soup and everything else from there. So we're just gonna let this cook a couple more minutes and then we'll check in and see how it tastes. Smells like it's done. Ooh. Looks done. It looks soft. Shall we try it? Mm-hmm. This looks fun. What do you think, YouTube? Looks good. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Give Andrea a big plateful to really see if she likes it. Again, first time cooking okra. I hope it turned out alright. Influence of southern USA cooking, a little bit of Moroccan flavor in there. I'm excited to taste test. Vegan delight. She's smiling a little bit. That's good. What do you think?
It's good. I will survive.
Hot. I like it. Okra alone, not so much, but chickpeas and everything, very good.
I think we need bread.
Always bread. It's saucy. Check it out. Oh. So my favorite part of the okra is the little white, the little white stuff inside. I guess it's seeds. Where is that camera at? The seeds in there are really tasty. So Andrea, what's your review?
A review?
Yeah, the dish.
Yeah, I like it. I want to experiment more with it. Maybe make it with pasta or maybe fry it.
Fried okra. Fried, now you're speaking my language. I still have a lot of my plate left, so I think Andrea likes it more.